This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable location sharing in the Opera web browser. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Opera web browser opened up now. To enable or disable location sharing in the Opera web browser, first thing you want to do is go up to the O in the upper left hand corner. Click on that. Then you'll go down to where it says Settings and click on that. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then in the center pane here, you want to click on Site Settings. Then underneath Permissions up here, you want to click on Location. And right in here, this is how you enable and disable location sharing on the Opera web browser. By default, location sharing is turned on. It's toggled on. Sites can ask for your location. If you want to turn that off, you just toggle on the bottom one here. Don't allow sites to see your location. So to enable, you toggle on the top one. Sites can ask for your location. To disable it, you toggle on the bottom one. Thanks for watching.